All right, 23, if you're given two equations, how do they compare? So first, let's identify what we're comparing. We're comparing slopes, y-intercepts. So if that's the case, then let's go ahead and solve for y and get the slope and y-intercept. Here it's already done, but it's not on this other equation. So to get y by itself, we have to get rid of the negative 2. And to do that, we divide by negative 2. So each term is going to be divided by negative 2. And that's going to cancel out the negative 2 there, and you get y equals. How do you take 1/2 and divide by negative 2? So a couple ways you can do it. If you divide by negative 2, when you divide using fractions, you would rather multiply by the reciprocal. So we would still have 1/2, but we're going to times by the reciprocal of negative 2, which is negative 1/2. So if you do that, you multiply across the numerator. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, and 2 times 2 is 4. So negative 1/4 is what you'll have. So y equals negative 1/4 x. So if we take a half and divide by negative 2, we get negative 1/4. Another way you could divide by 2 is doubling the denominator. And the last thing here is we're going to divide this negative 4 by negative 2. And you get positive 2. So that's what this equation becomes here. Okay. So how does this equation here? How does this equation here compare to this equation right here? Same slope, same y-intercepts. Looks like they're the same line. So they are different lines, the same. That's not right. Different lines. No, they are the same line. So it's either C or D. Both of the slope of not a slope of 1/2. Both of the slope of negative 1/4 and a y-intercept of 2. So that would be your answer, D.